Fellow South Africans, it is now the time for the president to address his nation. President, greetings. President, iyona lento. Jersey number 10, President Tools, the fence president. Ngiyo lento madoda. TS Galaxy nayoke. President Tools. Hayi madoda nazoke. Fase nothaya president madoda niyayibona lento. Hayi madoda. Usenkile upresident wami. President Tools. TS Galaxy Queens namuhla. Shaya Richmond United Ladies 3-1. Ibone njani president game? President, address the nation.
Yes, my brother, thank you ukuthi ube nami lamuhla ukuthi ngibe khona la interview. Igame lamhla beyimnanzi kakhulu. It was good. Beyimnanzi. Everything idlalile. Ngikhulume amayitolo. I said into ngabhokweni stadium. Yesterday I was at Kanyamazane Stadium. The president is busy.
Kakhulu.
He's busy. The president is busy. He's all over. So ngiyindoda lo ngayithemba. When I say I will be there, I will be there and I will deliver them.
Yes, President.
Mangifika la eKabhokweni Stadium. It's a beautiful stadium. Bayilungisile kahle right. Igame yalamhla it was good. Bayi right and ifirst half yelo ye Richmond. Richmond iphosi yasibulala. First half
President.
Richmond iphosi yasibulala iqhamuke vele iready ukuthi ifuna kuwina ifuna ukuthatha 3 point away but it's difficult ukuthi ETS Galaxy Queens. It's difficult ukushaya ekhaya. Ungamane ushaya ekhambeni.
Yeah.
La khaya siyashaya. La khaya siyashaya and lokunye lokhona starting lineup ngive buhlungu but I'm still happy.
Yeah.
Nga refill Fifi. Na my goalkeeper Makakula. Bebangekho lamuhla la egamini but sikhonile kudlala but igap yabo boy 2 beyikhona. Our goalkeeper she was nearly punished. Khona laphume khona waphuma without a reason ekutaphume but funa ama defenders lambeka phile.
President.
I team le ayidlali yodwa le team le, that is why it's called a team. It is not an individual work. It's a teamwork.
President.
Badlali bami ma goal scorers ami angijabulisa ladlalile
kakhulu.
Nicole number 11
Yeah.
and Smeda number 22 badlala kakhulu but kuSmeda she's lacking pace man. Angathi ushashadzino yena uyadlala but ipace yakhe ibese ya dropa. Naku Samsam number 9.
Yeah, number 9.
Samsam udlalile but lamuhla uluze 3 chances. Ma goal scoring opportunities like 3. Thina ngabe la win 5 or 6.
President ubulala abantu.
Vele besibabulala but Smeda shem uluze magoli but I'm happy ngalama results today.
Yeah.
Because nyalo thina we are fighting to stay at number 2. Asifuni basistep lapha. Sihleli asifuni kusuka lapha sihleli number 2 wethu.
Yes, President.
Yes, my brother.
President, la kaBhokweni president, ma fans bekaphumete inkantonga president. President, message lo ngayinika ama fans watshele nje ukuthi mafanathi konke weTS Galaxy beyithini phathi.
Ma fans asashota. Aphumile wona beka khona la. Mara asashota basaba makhata. Ungayike makhata. Makhata uhlala khona ayophinza ndlule. Come and support your TS Galaxy Queens. Lana kusekhaya masekhaya abethe bonke batosibukela. La khala kufuna vele si make sure ukuthi siyaba supporter so that we can get those points.
Yeah.
Because ekhaya mina I believe ukuthi vele team yami idlala ekhaya I score it's a maximum points.
Yes, President.
Nyalo it was 3-1. 3 goals 3 points. It's in the back. Sasa konke vele it's like having a 3 goals 3 points.
Special then.
Yes, but lo wena kufuna kukhuluma ngo Imagezi.
Mongameli.
Imagezi.
Awulimele President. Hey.
Yathi ngunotisile my brother.
President.
Ema team ase Limpopo.
Yeah.
Nema team ase KZN.
Yeah.
Ayasilubeta. Angathi noma ngathi sikhona sikubangako sima provinces. But sekufuna sibuyele back to drawing board sibuka ukuthi nguphi lesileka khona nguphi lekufuna silungise khona. Lama province like Tulawa asilimata. iGauteng yazi siyayivuthurura. Siyavuthurura. I daily bread yethu leyo.
President.
Yes, my brother.
Itolo lena president. Chazela mina president kwenzakaleni lapho phambili mphathi coach Behanovic ngiyambona formation uthe tamatisa kancane after international break Zindongo wacala lapha up front Mvelase wabuya la mkhathini la isizini besimjoyela adlala khona president nilidile first half president kwenzakaleni igame ayiluza nga 80th minute president yini president khuluma na president bathi Macbeth sola kakabuyanga kusana mfana Zulu lapha emuva khuluma na president
Came Itolo, we're supposed to when we scored that goal, we're supposed to make sure that we maintain that goal. You remember when we were playing away, it's difficult to play away. Modlala ekhaya we are relaxed, but modlala away kuna pressure very because nema fans abamaningi ale home team or ale home team angitsona I remember away when lama fans angale afaka lenye pressure to you away team
president
bekufuna lapha bekufuna si maintain le one because sibacorrect qala sabathi step sabathusa bathukile bathi mabathuka baphinde bakhumbula bathi no man akufuni isithuko sekhaya la why can't we bury this away people basishaya njalo but coach ulo uzamile bekathi uyazama lapha uzamile akimsoli sitobuyela ku drawing board silungise lokumoshakala because again there are three things especially when we are playing league there is a win there is a draw there is a lose but moqala igame uqala ngewin both teams asuke abuke win ma both teams but if you fail to win you must settle for a draw
president
I lose asifuni sonke asifuni ukuthi uyifuna ke lose sekumane kwendeke ukuthi okay phamse njani lo phamse njani basidlile but sitolungisa CJS Galaxy asipheli moya thina siyadumuza thina asipheli moya
emphathi kunenkinga lesha la
yes
Bruce ngiyazuta ukushajwa inhloko angacithi le season lena mphathi Bruce ngiyazuta uphatha inhloko Hugo Bruce ngiyazuta uphatha inkinga le nalomfana mahlambi man la TS Galaxy banaphuhlo man
lo baba
kwenzakalani
ngeva la angaboni baba phela lapha mahlambi uyayideserve i-collab
president
lelo Phuso Detergent naye uyadeserve ukudlala lapha labadlali baphamisile level yabo nimobuka mahlambi yonke igame la idlalayo uyascore
anytime goal score anytime goal score
loya muntu longamethemba everywhere you go mahlambi ungamthemba and ngithanda nalelo behavior yakhe akatiphakamisi la phansi yena nje udlala ibhola yakhe udlala ibhola yakhe kamnanzi akambite lo baba ngosiyami angathi sekufuna sente njana maybe kufuna siyovala umgwaqo sishise emathayi onja siwashisa kuphi mathayi stadium asiwafuni mathayi asifuni ukuvala umgwaqo stadium ezingife ngilo ngiyi-fans president i-violence angiyifuni ngifuna kube ne-peace
I don't condone violence
asikufuni lokho Mr. Hugo Bruce bita abadlali bami ngosiyami ngiyacela bita abadlali bami babite
ubonile wokuqala lambitile kusikwendile kahle
khulumani ndamani loyo mdlali wami lekimthandayo ndamani umbitile wamdlalela kahle kwangabi negap lapha uwavala kwangathi vele he was supposed to be there khulumani ndamani he's my player that one
president
then another thing sibuye kula TS Galaxy Queens
president
there is this player man my number 5
man
that one I called her lady TLP kude lokudlulako lapha ikha ngemuva ikhe ngaphambili kude lokudlulako iso iTLP yenta so lapha lo mdlalo uyadlala shem uyadlala
bokho be-national team ngathi batawushajwa inhloko
laba sengitobashanya lo because badlali bami bayabona ukuthi bayaperforma nyalo babithi bathathe magagula bathatha refill why can't they call up my lady there my lady TLP badlala abadlali bami shem abababide shem ngiyacela bo coach basemzansi bithani badlali bami ba perform baphusha and nakhona nakulokhu ubabuke ba maintain standard iTS Galaxy isolo ilaphethula lapha iQueens solo idlalela lapha eTulu asehli solo silapha eTulu
Alisekasale umphathi ngalamagama cha alisekasala athatha ibanyana yonke vele iphuma ku TS Galaxy vele lithi kumane kujijwe ligama mayisuka ngalani vele ithi nakuya
akathathe le TS Galaxy Queens vele athi ibanyana because iyaperform so tomana ngete ke bocezana bobani bakusantaza abancane
Yeah,
mara
President.
lakithi akathathe lakithi vele akasathe sine we are ready ukuthi singayimela country as
Yeah, President.
TS Galaxy Queens singaba ibanyana thina
oh president
singayimela country
yeah
bangasithuma thumani thina
yeah president
sizodeliver
president
yes my brother
president ngibonge kakhulu kuba nawe namuhla ma ministers batshela ama viewers lapha ekhaya ukuthi angathi akuba ministers kwendakaleli cabinet ku
ma ministers ikhona i-deputy minister of sport
Yeah.
i-deputy but le minister straight ithethe i-special leave
oh especially
yeah minister Sithole
then
uthethe ilo special leave ngimne special leave because mo president kufuna ubone i-cabinet yakho ukuthi ime njani mabona say this one is lacking ungazi uyohlazeka phambi kwabantu lana ngiphambi kwabantu phela ngimnika special leave
wendele
angizokhumbula ukuthi kuqabe kufanele kumxhosha ngimxolele nyalo ngimnike special leave
Yeah.
leave without pay
Yeah.
without pay
yeah
makasangilukile la utobuya kahle utobuya kahle mntu nabona ukuthi okay le position le uyayidzinga because lana azidlala
adlala yeah satumuza
siyatumuza la sila phakamisa minister nawo mana lokukhipha na unani kanti
ay siyatumuza
yeah siyatumuza yeah angukuphi ke mangjani
president Juice nayo ke mafene jinx asivale lapho